Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a quick action pose and we're going to use some foreshortening. So it's like a hand, like kind of like reaching out and with the body behind. So we're going to start with the hand right here. Let's put in a bell shape right there. It is the main feature, let's say. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the thumb. So we can actually sketch the hand right away. So we got the hand going right there, but now behind the hand, always use some, you could use the line first. So that is where it's going down, meeting somewhere here. That's the shoulder. There is the head. That'll show right around there somewhere, and of course we'll have the other shoulder and the chest right there, the collar right there. So you can use along this line 1, 2, let's put in 3 circles and see how this works out. So now going to forearm, bicep and tricep, and the shoulder. And of course right there is the head, and the other shoulder is right there. And you could do a lot of things with that. You could have the arm stretched out, you can go there, and or it can be here, and there's the body, there's the chest. So once again, to make this a little clear, we have the hand right there, and that completes the exercise. And you can do a lot of things with this guy here. It can go here, here. The head can look right up, down, straight, all up to you. So there we go, reaching out pose, perspective. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.